Last time Google redesigned the icons of its apps and services was 5 years ago, and now Google's back at it again. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Previously, Google changes icons for tools like Drive, Meet, Calendar, and so on. The internet's response was not positive, with many pointing that Google removed the individual defining characteristics of its icons, replacing them with the company's signature 4 colors. If you look closely, you'll recognize the outline of a document for Google Docs or a camera for Meet. But at a glance, the new icons were much harder to differentiate than the ones they replaced. But now, Google's finally changing the course. Started with a more distinctive icon for Google Maps with a few months ago, one that's more depth while still incorporating Google's colors and its universal pin design. Then a few weeks ago, 9 to 5 Google revealed that a full-scale redesign was on its way. Now with Google I/O already happened, those redesigned icons are rolling out. The first place to notice them is in your personal Gmail account. The app switcher in the top right revealed new designs across the board. Those icons haven't propagated everywhere yet, like clicking into Drive or Calendar shows the old ones still. But a number of Google apps on your iPhone will also be updated with new icons as well, so it seems safe to say that a full-scale launch is in progress. Just when people got used to the last generation of icons, there's no doubt at all that these are major improvements that make it much easier to tell apps apart at a quick glance. These icons also resonate with the redesigned 3D emoji that Google introduced last week as part of Android 17. If you're not seeing them yet, be patient. These updates are still rolling out across multiple accounts, so it seems like the company is doing a full-scale push. Just wait for your turn, it'll come soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.